So let me give you a quick tour of my workshop shed. So I've got two cameras, one cheap O type Escape. There you go, that's one of my cameras. I've got a Lumix there, I don't know which type it is. There you go, DMC TZ8. There you go. I'll have this particular phone on there. I've got another Motorola G10 just there. Homemade rebate planes, one for each direction of the wood that I'll be doing. I actually did the Paul Sellers there you go, Paul Sellers, who is absolute superb carpenter, teacher, YouTube type guy. So yeah, that's what I did there. Various different tri-squares. I've got another one I think in my toolbox. I have here a marking gauge. I have one of two or three planes that I own. I've got this one, which is a Stanley number 5, brand new, 55 quid I think it was, from Screwfix. Not the best thing in the world, but it works. I think it was £7 slide-in bevel thingy. My Suzanne Japanese dovetail saw, a selection of saws on the back wall, my Suzanne Ryobi I think. There you go. A serious selection of hammers, my mallet, loads and loads of things with two handles, things with one handle, screwdrivers and such, different types of brushes for doing the finishing work, absolute tons and tons and tons of screws, absolutely everywhere. The mad thing is I rarely use screws. And down here I've got some woodstock, small woodstock here, and the larger woodstock in the corner down there. Portable DVD player. At the moment I'm watching the film Stargate, and the most important thing in the shop is my coffee and all my different inhalers that I need, and my reading glasses. So there you go.